Crucial T710 Gen5 2TB SSD, 14,900 megabytes per second. Goodbye loading screens. Ever felt like your timeline is mocking you while it stutters on 8K footage? Or you're staring at a loading screen longer than the actual boss fight? You're not slow, your storage is just betraying you. Drop FML in the comments if you've ever rage quit because of lag. You're not alone, but you're about to be free. Imagine missing a client deadline because Premiere decided to take a coffee break mid-export, or watching texture pop in while your squad is already in the game. That quiet rage when your PC feels like it's gaslighting you? Yeah, we've all been there. What if one upgrade could turn that frustration into ridiculous smug satisfaction? Meet the crucial T710 PCIe Gen5 NVMe 2TB SSD, the drive that hits 14,900 megabytes per second read and stays there without breaking a sweat, thanks to its beefy integrated heatsink. Picture this. A video editor I know opened the 200 gigabyte REDCODE RAW timeline and scrubbed through it like it was 1080p. You should have seen his face when he realized he wasn't waiting anymore. Gamers are reporting open-world textures that load before the camera even turns. One mad lad installed Cyberpunk 2077 plus all DLCs in under 4 minutes and just started laughing maniacally. The Phison E26 controller plus Micron 232-layer TLC NAND combo refuses to throttle, even when you're hammering it for hours. And yes, it comes with a free month of Adobe Creative Cloud, because apparently Crucial wants you to flex immediately. Stick around to the end, I'll drop the one secret setting that squeezes even more speed out of the Crucial T710 PCIe Gen5 NVMe 2TB SSD. So what does 14,900 megabytes per second actually feel like? It feels like teleporting. It feels unfair. One pro editor told me, I used to schedule bathroom breaks around exports. Now I'm scared I'll miss the ding. A top Twitch streamer switched to the crucial T700 PCIe Gen5 NVMe 2TB SSD mid-season, and his load times went from meme-worthy to literally instant. Chat spammed PC paid actor for a week. Another 3D artist rendered a 45-second 8K animation, and the drive stayed under 62 degrees Celsius while laughing at thermal throttling. Yes, it needs a Gen 5 slot to fly. Gen 4 tops out around 7,000 megabytes per second and honestly feels criminal now. Yes, the heatsink is thick, but it fits every major board and looks sexy doing it. Thousands of buyers are calling it the last SSD you'll ever need. One guy said his old Gen 4 drive now lives in shame as a backup. Which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? Instant scrubbing or zero-load games? Comment your biggest pain point below and let's roast slow storage together. Stock is moving stupidly fast, and the free Adobe Creative Cloud month won't last forever. If you're tired of watching progress bars mock your existence, click the link right now and grab the crucial T710 PCIe Gen5 NVMe 2TB SSD. Join the thousands who've already ditched the waiting game and turned their rig into a time machine. Don't just watch, jump in and make your friends jealous tomorrow. Comment yes if you're ready to never wait again, and I'll DM you the secret overclock tip that pushes this beast past 15,000 megabytes per second. Do it now.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.